CSS battle time. Let's see, we have a 4. Okay, so because of the rounding, I could do one circle and then box shadow it, you know, to get that curve. I could make a long element with the curve and then one without it on the bottom, and then do that cross piece its own way. That might be the way to go. Just do border radius and then set it to none on this. So what I might do is, this is the body. This cross piece is the hard part. HTML is the full background. This is the body. And then it's like 2 p tags, or I'm not sure if there's a good way to do this. Maybe what I do is the body gets box shadowed over, and then I mask it with an element, and then I can just do another box shadow up with that to make the bar. So we write 2 box shadows. So yeah, I kind of like that actually. And then it's only 1 extra element instead of 2, you know, and that all works. All right. I don't know how it jumped up there, but I'm gonna roll with it. Let's get this here. Okay, and we can just jump straight into the body. Ooh, that last element, I want to be that same black background. Oh, I know what to do. I'll do this, comma P. So that should take care of it. All right, let's margin it into place. I'm gonna make it the, kind of doesn't matter which one it is actually, because the final element's gonna mask it up on top. Okay, so let's make it probably the right one. Let's go 20. Let's get it sized, and then we'll do the border radius. Yeah, good. 20. Right, it's gonna be like 150. It's gonna be more than that. So it's 160 to one side, 400 across, so that's 240. It's gonna be 240. I think I got that math wrong. 200, and then we're gonna do 20 on the bottom, and then like 50. Okay. Uh, 110. Okay. Yeah, obviously I got that way off. It was 240. Man, look at that. Okay. It's sized. Let's hit our border radius. Oopsies. 1 inch? Yeah, I love it when that works. Okay, and let's box shadow. We're gonna go 100 pixels, 0. Yeah, pretty close. 30. Hey, there it is. And it's gonna be yellow. Oops. Okay. Okay, so then my P tag will just go right here, and I'll box shadow up. Should be good. Ooh, I don't want a border radius on. Oh, it doesn't matter actually. Or it does matter. No, it doesn't matter. it does. Because if I have a board, it has to stop at this edge here. It has to stop at this edge. I have to have a perfect square here for the black. So we'd have a little corner of yellow if I don't turn off the border radius on this. And the box shadow to work unless I shift the box shadow over just enough. Okay, I can do that because we have this wiggle room in this post for what this box shadow is masking, because I'm going to do the black background and then a yellow box shadow. So I have some wiggle room. I can shift things over, so I can probably hide it. Let's just see. Let's see. 2 pixels solid red. Still don't. Oh. Should be able to find it real easy when I put it in there. Okay, no, I have to get rid of the border radius. It's just too much. Well, let's see. Let's see if we turn this up to like 80. Yeah, it's still too much. All right. So I wonder if I can duplicate the border radius with M and change it with font. Let's see. 1 inch is like pretty close to 50%, so I should be able to do something like 3M or yeah. So anything over 50% of whatever the width is, and we get the shape we want. So I can do that, and let's turn it back up. We'll go font 0A. There we go. We get our square. Let's margin it down. Color is it actually? It's still yellow, so this background is still getting overwritten here. I might be able to do plus star. There we go, that did it. And it's also not picking up that other box shadow, but that's not important because I'm always going to overwrite it anyways. All right. I should have left that border on there. No, I'm going to change the background for the moment. I just need to see where it is to get it in place and size it appropriately. All right. 120, 150. 0. Okay, that's good. And let's go 70, 60, 70, 65. Good. So I should. Oh, I turned off border radius, so it doesn't even like matter. Box shadow. Now, I wonder. I'm moving this one up. The other ones are moving right. Since I'm zeroing out M, or font, I mean, on this one, could I... Like, I'm trying to figure out as if I don't think I can, because I don't want this to be, I don't want any vertical movement on this, and I can't hide that. It's like I want this value to now be negative, or yeah, I could wrap it in a variable because it's the same color. This could change to M, and this could be a variable. And then I don't have to write a whole nother box shadow. Okay. Let's see. 16 goes into 130. It's going to be something weird. 130 divided by 16 gives me 8.125. 8.125. Oh, this box shadow doesn't carry down. That's right. Well, forget that idea. Let's just write a box shadow. And let's go ahead and put color up here because it'll select everything. We're going to get our yellow color. That. Get rid of our background. Do that. Oh, we don't need this color anymore. Can we tighten that up? Yes, we can because it's on a 0. Let's hit submit. Let's just see where we're at with that. Okay, that worked. Is it the best? If I could not write a second box shadow, I think I'd be happier with this. I was planning on it the whole time, but now I'm looking at it and it just feels like that's the unnecessary part. Yeah, I don't know. It's late enough though. I'm gonna leave it at that. And yeah, it was fun. It was just fun to do. Something. Do I need this tag now that I don't? That's what I thought. Okay, I wasn't doing any favors by selecting the P with the it's this modifier right here that got this background to stick because the P tag doesn't fall under this selector anymore. So it falls under this star selector. All right, 191. We'll leave it there. Hope you have a good whatever. Hope you're having a good time. Thanks.